How to change the language on Freelancer. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change the language on Freelancer easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Freelancer. As you can see right here, this is the home page of the website. Now all what you have to do is go here and click on settings. After you click on settings, you will find many options right here, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is scroll down until you find language settings, and from here you can change the language of the website, and you can also change I want to browse projects in the following languages. It's actually very easy, and after you finish changing the language that you want from here, you can click save settings and everything is gonna be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.